I'm going across to Atul Kumar Anjan, Mr. Surjewala. 1 second, Mr. Siddharthnath Singh. 1 minute. I'm going to Mr. Surjewala, Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan, and then Khushbu joins the debate. Let's get everyone in, then we'll do open round. Atul Kumar Anjan, we know this country knows it's collusion. If we all know it's collusion, why are we not addressing the problem of collusion on this? I would have thought this is the single most important issue to address in contemporary India. Let me get you in. Yes, please.
Arnavji, you have just now revealed that after 2004, 521% prices of the onion has gone up. Let's understand
wholesale
what
prices.
Is the mathematics behind it. The wholesale price, what is the mathematics behind it? You see, Nasik or Devas or here or there, I do agree what my friend Kumar Vishwas has said. He has made many questions and they were all correct. The question is this, I can say right now with the confidence, in the post-independent period, the worst type of agriculture minister we had in Mr. Sharad Pawar. Now, just now Praful Patel said that the onion doesn't come under the agriculture ministry, it comes under the food and civil supply ministry. It is not a joint responsibility, collective responsibility of the cabinet to check the price rise. It's not an issue of blame game. Yes, there is a cartel and whether it is Devas BJP government or it is the Congress Nasik NCP Congress, the hoarders are getting protection through the government, and Mr. Sharad Pawar is the biggest, protector of the hoarders in this country, and the Prime Minister knows it and he is allowing them because both are selling in the same boat and both of them are, someone is protecting in
the irony
market,
is
someone is protecting the interest of the foreign minister.
We'll get everyone in. Sanjay Jha joins the debate. No, if everybody knows it.
I'm making this point.
If it is a known fact, if it is a known fact, no, if it is a known fact, then I just want to tell you, Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan, with respect to you, you were backing the government in 2005, right? I remember the autumn and the autumn and early winter of 2005. I don't know if you could afford onions in 2005. I certainly had trouble.
No,
right? One minute. Because you, 1 minute. 1 minute. You were interested in all issues of foreign policy, nuclear deal, everything else. You pulled out of the government on the issue of the nuclear deal. You pulled out, you made a big deal on Volca. You made a big deal on issues of foreign policy. You, Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan, Mr. Anjan, now allow me to complete, Mr. Anjan. Ideology has to be translated into action. Ideology has to be translated into action. The people's anguish must be represented by political parties. In 2005.
4 times we organized Bharat Bandh. Four times we organized Bharat Bandh. National strike we organized against the price rise. You are just forgetting it.
I don't forget. I don't forget it. I don't forget.
Celebrities.
What I know.
Celebrity action you remember. The poor workers action you don't remember. That's the problem with the Indian media. You do not want to know how the farmers and agriculture workers and the workers are protesting. You don't remember them. You remember them celebrities action. It is 3 times we have organized Bharat during the last 4.5 years. Lakhs of people, workers, agriculture workers and farmers demonstrated in front of the parliament.
Atul Kumar Anjan. You see, thank you very much for the flowery compliments you have paid to the Indian media. I don't represent the entire Indian media. Well, I would simply like to tell you this. I remember. 1 minute, please. One minute. Now you calm down. Please, calm down.
I'm not discussing here Katrina Kaif. I'm here discussing about the agriculture worker. I'm discussing about the marginalized section of the society. I'm not about the big you see, shots. I'm not worried about
let's not discuss, we are
You remember one action. Comrade A.B. Vardhan said,
the problem is you get so touchy.
And the Sensex was gone down and we were beaten up like anything.
You do one thing, Mr. Anjan. I'll just tell you one thing. You find out today after the program that in 2005, I challenge you today. I would like to challenge you. 1 minute. I'm challenging you, sir. I'm challenging you to prove me wrong. that in 2005, in 4 successive bouts of increases, onion prices accelerated from 14% to, hold your breath, 106% in the 4 months ending November 2005. I challenge you today, you go and find those figures. You also find out food, vegetable, onion, brinjal, cabbage, pulses, milk, egg, spices, sugar and fruit prices in the autumn of 2005. And then you ask yourself, did you ever say we'll pull out from power because the hoarders are giving too much trouble? You didn't do that, sir. I am only putting it in perspective. You don't have to lose your temper or say I'm asking you a question.
I
It's
agree.
not a
I'm not
Katrina
being-
Kaif
the
newser.
fact
I'm
that
doing
you
a fairly
have
serious program. My counter is now, I'm getting in Khushbu into the debate. Now, Khushbu, I'm told you are outraged at what's happening. My question to you is, Khushbu, you're outraged at what's happening. You're part of the government. You are part of the government. As a DMK is an integral part of the government. So your outrage, I presume, Khushbu, is fairly vacuous. Because you're part of the government. You can't complain against something in which your government has a role, right?
Arnav, your question is over?
Yes, please.
Okay. First, you have to understand that DMK has pulled out. You know,
You are
how
supporting,
things
you are not
between
voting
DMK
against
and
the government?
Congress. Second.
They only pulled out your
No,
ministers?
we're not moving against the government.
You are not moving
you're
against
raising
the
question
government?
is because of the. Wait. No. What
Yes. So I'm
you're
correct.
raising the question about this is because of my tweet this morning, where I said the prices are really hitting a century,
Arnab,
and
2010,
let's see how many of us
they
know
were
the
supporting,
recipe
they were
about
part of the government.
cooking without onions. Yes, it does give a pinch. Whoever it may be, you cannot think, especially when it comes to Indian cooking, you cannot think of cooking without onions. It's an everyday basis in everybody's house. The problem is, whenever we come on a debate,
No.
it's all that we start, talking about blame game. This government did this, that
Yeah, of
government
course.
did that. It's not about.
Yes, of
I
course,
think-
because you
wait,
did nothing.
Arnav,
No, yes, of course, because I see the
Arnav,
pinch, because you
Arnav,
did
hold on.
nothing.
Arnav,
You
hold
are
on.
realizing the pinch.
Arnav,
You
hold-
are realizing the pinch that people feel in their kitchens
Arnav, when you
after the
raise the
DMK
question,
has
let me
pulled
complete
out
the answer,
because
please.
A. Raja has not got enough protection from the government.
Let me. You do not bring 2 and 2 is equal to 4. Okay, please do not do that. I mean, we have to understand the mathematics. But let me finish
Arnab,
the
can I
answer
ask a question?
For the question that was raised to me. Now the thing is, when it was a personal opinion. When I say that the onion prices have raised, and it is definitely giving a pinch, yes, it is. It's pinching you, it's pinching me, it's pinching everybody who's watching the show, and it's also pinching the people who are there on the debate.
It didn't pinch you since
It's not
2004
about
till now.
Who did it? It's not about no government.
No, it
is
didn't
solely
pinch you till
responsible
now.
For the rise of
No, it
wage.
didn't pinch you till
It's-
now.
No government, whether it's BJP
No,
or
one
Congress,
second.
at the central or the state,
No, you see,
government is responsible for the raise of
Khushbu,
the
there is
onions.
one thing called.
Everything comes into
There
it.
is
And
one
if you're
thing
talking
called.
about my party.
No, Khushbu,
Arnab,
you see, there is.
I do want to ask one question.
Okay, we are getting a counter question. Go ahead. The Aam Aadmi Party putting a question here, please. And remember this.
मैं
that-
आपके चैनल पर बैठे हुए सभी महान राजनेताओं से पूछना चाहता हूं कि इनके राज्यों में एफआईआर कितनी हुई है जमाखोरों के खिलाफ। मध्य प्रदेश में भाजपा है, वहां कितनी हुई है? महाराष्ट्र में एनसीपी कांग्रेस है, वहां कितनी हुई है? शीला दीक्षित जी दिल्ली में है, अभी रणदीप सुरजेवाला जी कह रहे थे स्टेट होल्डिंग की वजह से हो गया। उन्होंने पिछले 3 महीनों में कितनी कराई है? अभी एक चैनल के स्टिंग ऑपरेशन में बता दिया गया कि जो गरीबों का अनाज है वो किस तरह आटा चक्की पर जा रहा है। हमारे यहाँ एक शायर ने शेर कहा है, अर्नब के रंज लीडर को बहुत है मगर आराम के साथ। तो इनका जो रंज है, इनका जो दुख है, वो बड़ा एरी है, बड़ा एयर कंडीशन में बड़ा अच्छे से चैनल के सामने बैठना, उसके बाद बोलना। तो मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं सब मिले हुए एक दूसरे के साथ।
लेकिन मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी,
नहीं, आप मुझे नहीं लगता, अगर दुख होता
कुमार विश्वास
तो आज
जी,
नहीं, जिस समय
कुमार
शरद पवार
विश्वास
के
जी,
ऊपर एक
कुछ
हमला
तथ्यों
हुआ
के
था,
आधार
पूरे
पे करिए, ये
महाराष्ट्र
कवि
में
सम्मेलन नहीं है।
सुषमा स्वराज कह रही थी,
ये कवि सम्मेलन नहीं है। आपको पता है क्या क्या एक्शन लिए गए?
हमारे ऊपर हमला है।
शांत हो जाओ यार, आप एक दिन शांत हो जाओ। आप कवि सम्मेलन की तरह से यहाँ कविताएं मत करो। आपको कुछ पता भी हो तो बात करें हम लोग।
सम्मेलन क्या है?
1998 में जब भी उस समय there was a cartel existing in 1998. In 2003, we amended an act which is an APMC act. There was all the states were to follow because of transparency to be brought in the government. Please, Kumar Vishwas, you are a good friend, but have the patience to hear the truth. In 2003, BJP brought an amendment to APMC Act, And since the marketing lies with every
Okay.
state government, it's a federal system, the states were to follow.
The
16
debate-
states have followed it.
The
And
The
on
debate
that
will continue. I'm
all
taking
the
a short
BJP
break.
states.
I'm
The
sure.
question is
This
again-
is the first
I'm
break on the
sorry.
News Hour tonight
The
on the
second
onion
question
crisis.
is Mr. Kumar Biswas
Now,
and to Surjewala.
now remember
BJP
this, ladies
brought
and
Onion
gentlemen,
under
this is not
essential
just a middle class
commodities.
concern.
Why did the
This is
UPA take it
this
out of
is
the essential
on the
commodities
News Hour
Act?
tonight.
So if you know the truth,
On the-
then
on the- on-
answer
on-
it is
on-
not a
on-
public
on the News
meeting
Hour-
that you are addressing.
On the News Hour tonight, the BJP says to the Aam Aadmi Party, do not think that you are in a Kavi Sammelan. That's an interesting response, but I'd like to remind everyone as I go to the first break, remember, what's happening with onion prices is only symbolic, and remember, this is not, and I repeat, not only an upper or lower middle class concern. It is the nation's concern. I'm back in a few minutes.